The PNP and Prime Minister sent condolences to the Golden family following the passing of Mark Golden's mother. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The People's National Party is expressing condolences to the party leader Mark Golden and his family following the passing of his mother Patricia Golden. In a post on social media on Friday morning, the opposition leader wrote, "Walk good mom, you'll forever live on in our hearts and in our memories." Mrs. Golden was 92 years old. She is described by the party as a symbol of quiet strength and dignity. The party says she has built a legacy of service and compassion with her late husband Sir John Golden. They are being recognized for their contribution to rehabilitative medicine with the establishment of the Mona Rehabilitative Center. The party says her spirit, grace and overwhelming love will continue to live on in the hearts of all who knew her. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has also sent condolences to the Golden family. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.